Hi guys, welcome back to this part. If you're just a new subscriber, you can make sure that you click on the subscription button. And if you are already a subscriber, you're welcome. This is Eric Day, and I'm sure you have watched the other parts of this video. If you haven't watched it, check my description. You'll see the link to the other part of the video, or you just check my playlist and you'll see the videos and other parts. So today, what I'll be doing is I will be splitting out the pattern, and I want you guys to follow through. So remember that we've already flipped a pattern, we've already drawn on the pattern, and the next one we're just doing right now is to cut it out. So to cut this out, you're going to use your cutter, split it into two. So just follow through what I'm doing here. Here, just go gently. Alright. Now you go gently. For the back also, the back side, you cut this on the line, please. Now once you cut on the line, the excesses are here, you're going to cut them out. All the excesses are here, you're going to cut them out. Don't worry about the excesses. We're going to add our own allowance for the excesses. So, but for this one, you're going to cut it out. So, apologies for the background noise. My kids are here. Okay. I'm coming. I'll attend to you now. So, yeah, I'm coming. Alright, so my kids are here and I'm attending to them. So, please, I need to attend to them. Okay, so the next thing we're going to be doing is to bring this out in full. So for us to bring this out in full, remember that I already cut it. I'm going to cut this particular side also. So we just pull out these excesses here. Okay, after that, we'll begin to bring this out. So you begin to lift this up like this from your pattern. Begin to lift it up. Yeah, yes. Just gently lift it up. And once you're lifting it up, begin to pull it. When you go to this side, lift it up a little bit. I hope you can see the way I'm pulling it. Don't pull it up from this side, pull it up from this upper side. And I'm pulling, don't pull everything out. And here we go. Perfect. So we'll be transferring this into the cardboard. So let me just place this aside here. And don't take your piece. Alright, so you can see there's a cardboard here. So what you just do is to lay on this carefully. Now don't just put it there. Don't worry about all these parts that are pulling up. Don't worry about them. We're gonna be stretching some side and we're gonna be cutting some side. So just leave them like this. I'm still gonna lay them properly. So all the sides, lay them properly. So what you're gonna do is if you can decide to use your scissors. How many scissors? So just lay it properly. So you can decide to use the scissors to cut them so that they can lay properly. You can see the way I'm cutting it like this here. So I'm going to use the downside of my cutter to just stretch them now. Can you see? So same this side. You see that they are laying properly now. But this side also. The same thing you do. Yes, so this is what talk about by laying your pattern on the cardboard. And so this laying of the pattern on the cardboard will make the pattern firm, and you can then cut out. So let's cut it out. So this is serving as your template. This template that you have, you can keep it and using it to draw out as many patterns that you want to draw out. So here I'm not putting allowance. I'm just going to cut it close to the line. You can see that. And yes, so this is what we have here. So right now, this is when we start bringing out the pattern. So let's watch out for the next part. Make sure that you watch the next part, and you get how I splitted this pattern into two and brought out the full pattern.